Hey, what's up everyone? It's Floki here, and today we've got something wild planned. For the next 24 hours, I'm going off the grid. No phone, no internet, no TV, and no gadgets. That's right, I'm going to live like it's 1990. Can I make it? Stick around to find out. Okay, so first things first. I'm going to turn off my phone and lock away all my devices for the next 24 hours. Wish me luck. This is going to be tough. I've realized how much I rely on technology for everything. Entertainment, work, and even staying in touch with people. Okay, first activity. I'm going to read an actual book, with real pages. It's been a while. I'm used to looking up recipes online, but not today. So I'm going to cook from memory. Let's hope this turns out edible. Next up, I'm getting some fresh air and going for a walk. No fitness tracker today, just vibes. All right, I've made it halfway through the challenge, and honestly, it's harder than I thought. I keep reaching for my phone out of habit. So it's nighttime, and I'd normally be watching YouTube or Netflix to wind down. But instead, I'm going to try something different. Meditation, journaling, and then straight to bed. It's finally morning. I'm almost done with the 24-hour challenge, and honestly, it's been pretty refreshing to disconnect for a bit. But I can't wait to check my messages. All right, I did it. 24 hours without technology. It was tough at times, but I learned a lot about how much I rely on my phone and gadgets. If you like this challenge, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below what challenge I should try next. See you in the next video.